You can go in the middle.
Imagine I fell down into the fish. Then
You will not fall down there. Go. Big fish. Where? Mamaya na. Huwag ka, diyan ka muna. Picture muna tayo. Picture muna tayo, dali. Punta na kayo, pipicturean ko kayo, dali. Big fish. Hi boys. Mati, look, come here. Big fish, look at that fish. Look at the big fish.
Slowly lang. Look, dito ka.
Binata na kasi. Put your hand, Kurt. Why? See ya.
Mommy, look.
Wait, I will buy a food.
Look at the fish.
I'll buy a food for
Oh, wait to get the Go down now.
It's a big fish, see?
I'm here, see. Maybe someone to go to the turtle. You want to go to the turtle? Hindi na sinabi pa na pang feed sa fish.
See ya. Open it now.
Doon na kaya kayo, wag dyan.
Doon.
Daanan yan.
Oh, see? The fish now is there. Oh.
No, come here, kuya.
Go, Kuya. Enjoy. Feed the fish. Yay!
Yeah, they're so happy because you feed them. You know, you can video the giant yellow fish up close with the heads.
With the heads. Oh, it's here now. It's here now. Padaan na. Oh, more. Oh, wait a minute. 1 minute.
You better come up close. Come on, Kurt.
Yeah. Yay! Look at that. Yeah, see? See?
Oh, look at her sound.
That's right. Yeah. There's lots of them.
No way, all these catfish. And then all these poison.
Mati. Yeah, look at me.
Come over here.
Guard. Guard. Look. Sug ka dito. Yan. Hi, Mati. Matt, say hi.
Dito, Vic, open it for Mommy.
Okay.
Okay, yay! More mamalit. BBC, BBC, BBC.
They so happy, right? Look at that.
Yeah, they are happy because you're giving food for them. Oh, give food for that fish. Yay!
All the small fish are eating them. You like it? See? Like to see the fish? Eh, there. Andito ko makikita na, oh, madami pala. Here, kuya. Okay. Mamalat ka na, mamalat. Hindi ka mo lang ganun tolo. Slowly lang, baby ko. Sabi ng fish. Sabi ng fish yung mouth niya. Hindi ko masyado nagsabi ng malatnat ka. Hindi, manilayog lang.
Oh, tingin, tingin, tingin. Hi! Hi, Si! Hi, Mami! Asan Tita Beck? Key for what? Open the door of what? Go and drive. What we will drive? What we will drive?
Seriously pa.
Huh? In the car. Okay. Hey, look at me, see, oh. See, look at my head. Look at, see, what is this? Hi, see. Yes. Very good. Sia, look at the one on my head. There's a peacock.
I cannot find the bug pumpkin.
Where's the pumpkin? Where?
Over there.
Where?
There.
Where?
Over there.
Okay, show me your face muna. Show me your face. Show me your face. Show me the face. I can't see your face. Where's your face?
Oh, we cannot see your face.
Cute.
I'm inside, right?
Yeah.
Not pretty slow now, is it? Ay, there's another big one.
Wait, look at.
Look at this
There's
view.
a big one.
Look at that. Look at that, see?
Big one.
We're eating. Eating a spinach.
There's a turtle.
One is not eaten.
Kangkong.
One is not even eaten.
An apple.
I see. See, there's a parrot.
And lots of birds there, oh. Halika na, halika na. Looks like a rain.
The rain is coming.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Let's eat in Best Food Hub. There's a pancit there.
Wala. You can cook